Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to build upon the big easy heart pendant I made in my last video and turn it into something completely different and new. Creating variations in something is a great way to get those creative gears turning and awaken your imagination and creativity. I begin transforming the pendant by going back to my soldering station and adding some additional drops of solder to the ones that were already there. I coat my project with flux, heat up my soldering iron, and then add small drops of solder to the dots on my project, building up those dots to be a bit larger in size. Now, if you are just joining us for this project and haven't seen the first video, I'll link that right above and below in the description as well, so be sure to check that out. I use lead-free solder and always wear safety glasses and a mask when soldering and working with chemicals. This project is great for someone who has a little bit of experience soldering, but I encourage all levels to give it a try. I really hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. Once I have some extra solder drops on my dots, I'll go over them once or twice with the hot tip of my soldering iron to smooth them out and to make sure they are nice and round. Once I'm happy with the dots on my heart, I'm going to take it over to my sink and I'm going to wash it to remove some dirt and flux, and then I'll dry it off. I assemble my patina station, an old plate and a disposable paintbrush that I only use for patina, and some paper towels for cleaning up. I add a small puddle of patina onto my plate, then I'll add my heart. I use my paintbrush to spread the patina all over my project, working to cover it completely on all sides, front and back. I repeatedly brush my project to make sure that I don't miss any spots. I blot off my project with a paper towel, but then I'll allow it to sit and completely air dry. I wash and dry my project to remove any excess patina and to clean it up. I use my ball peen hammer on my steel bench block to carefully hammer down my raised solder drops. I repeat this process until the tops are nice and flat. This will give them a really cool, flat, shiny effect that looks like mini black mirrors. I just love the unique look of that sparkle. Then I give my heart a quick polish with a soft cloth. Now, if you're the kind of person who likes to learn every little detail about what I'm doing in my videos and why I'm doing it, I'll soon be offering exclusive content such as special in-depth tutorials and other goodies on my Patreon that I'll offer a bit down the road. Now, that might be something you're interested in, and that'll be coming up in the future, so as I progress with that, I will release more info. I'll be talking about it more in my future videos, so stay tuned. I will add a few beads to give my heart a little bit of color, variety, and motion. I thread my beads onto my head pin. I'm using a pink coral colored stone bead, a silver spacer bead, and then a larger carved flower bead. I believe it's pink rhodonite. After I thread my beads onto my head pin, we'll create a wrapped loop. I will grip the wire right above my top bead. I use my chain nose pliers with a flat jaw to grip the wire. I'll use my fingers to make a bend in the wire. Next, I'll remove my chain nose pliers and pick up my round nose pliers, and I'll grip the wire right above the bend. I will use my fingers to bend the wire around the top jaw of the round nose pliers to create a loop. The farther in towards the jaw of my pliers that I place my wire, the larger the size of my loop. I want to make sure that my loop will fit onto my wire heart. I wrap the tail end of the wire around the jaw of the pliers, and there's my loop. Next, I will thread my loop onto my heart. Before I wrap it, I'll once again show you how I made that loop. Gripping the wire, bending it over, switching my pliers out from my round nose, positioning, bending the wire over the round nose, taking them out, and there's my loop. Threading it onto my heart. Now I will grip the loop with my round nose pliers, and I'll use my other hand with my chain nose pliers to grab that tail end of wire, and very carefully I'm going to wrap it around the neck of wire below the loop. I will take my time and make my wraps, one snug up against the next. I'll use my wire cutting pliers to snip off any ends of a wire. To turn my pendant into a necklace, I'll simply thread a chain through my heart. I was out of vintage colored chain, so I simply added patina to a silver plated chain and created my own vintage colored chain. If you'd like to learn to solder like me, be sure to check out my other jewelry making videos in my jewelry making playlist. There are lots of unique and creative projects there. Remember that I release a new video every Friday and sometimes in between, so be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Be sure to hit the little bell next to the subscribe button so you can get notified when I release a new video. Thank you so much for joining me for this video, and I hope you enjoyed this project. Now, if there's something you'd like to see in the future, leave me a comment below and let me know. I'll see you next time, and enjoy your day.